morning students, this is Rajkiran Gupta, lab assistant in ECE department, and here we are going to study the hardware part which we are going to use in our microcontroller lab. And this is your board, which is your Titan 8051 board, and this is the layout of our board. You can see that this is our 89V51RD2, which we will be incorporated with all this in this laboratory. Okay, so as sir has already explained you that this microcontroller is already having 4 ports, that is port 0, this is our port 0 outlet, and this is port 1 outlet, port 2 outlet, and port 3 outlet. And these are the ports, these are the box headers we can use for additional add-ons. And moreover, this port 0 is already hardware confined, that is hardwarely connected with this keypad interface, and which we shall study in our keypad experiment. And also we have LED experiment, LEDs, 8 LEDs which are soldered on this side, which are connected to our port 1 of this microcontroller. And while port 3 is left aside, and few of the pins are used for port 3, but port 2 is used mainly for data purpose of our display. That is, in displays we have 2 displays, that is LCD and LED 7 segment display. So here this data bus is being multiplexed with both of them, and this is the slide switch which we are using for demultiplex these two to either of this LCD or 7 segment display. That means if this slide switch is towards LCD, the data whichever is sent will be received by this LCD, and if this switch is slide to 7 SEG, that is 7 segment display side, then the data is transferred to this 7 segment display. And moreover, there are few controls in this particular LCD, that is register select and enable are available on this for this microcontroller, are given connection from this port 3, that is port 3.6 and 3.7. And regarding those connections, you will deal them in your LCD control experiment. And coming to this 7 segment, we are having display 1 and display 2, which are connected to our port 3.4 and 3.5. And those things also we will be discussing in your LED 7 segment display experiment. And apart from these 4, we also have power adapter, which we will be giving our connection with our 5 volt supply or 9 volt supply, whatever it is. And this is the button which is used for power on or off. And this is your reset button, which we will be frequently using to dump the program whenever we start dumping the program using FlashMagic, where there we will be using this reset button frequently. And this is your RS-232 port, where we will be having the connection given to our CPU using RS-232 port, as well as this is a USB port. Also you can give the USB type B connection here, and here there is an adjustment or a arrangement you need to do, that is this jumper switch should be toward SP when you are using this RS-232. Both of them should be towards SP, and if you are using USB, it should be towards USB. And this is a jumper which we are helpful to view this backlight. If you remove this jumper, the backlight will be turned off. Okay, and this is the potentiometer, which is helpful to increase or decrease the contrast of your LCD. Thank you.